it's a fickle and fragile thing. Is there?
Ooh, collision!
It's a collision. What the hell on earth happened there?
That's a terrible, terrible mistake for RDA1 here. Bribham,
Oh no!
they just smacked into Bribham's turn. They were bearing away behind Bribham, and for some reason they really mistimed their turn there. That's a big crash. Big crash. Look at that. Massive crash. Well, Bribham is gone.
Whoa. Big hole in the side of the boat. That's a seriously big split. That's a direct hit.
Don't think Mursky can fit there. That's between the Noprio and the committee boat. No.
Come on!
Definitely not.
Come on, look at his wind indicator. We're hit to win the whole time.
Oh, Jensen just ran into the ferry. Real bad.
He said he's going to hold the sign naked. Personally, if he does do that, he's the dumbest human on earth.
I'm going to have to fulfill that, and it's probably going to be really bloody cold.
We're all wrapping up warm. They're going to want to get that card on as fast as they can. It's this down speed moment transition between upwind and downwind. It's the dangerous bit, particularly when the kite's full of water like that one is. And all of a sudden the gust is going to get...
These guys, the skipper's super brave. He's going to lock himself in, so it's a three-string attack of the...
He didn't find his foot strap there. You'll notice he's found it now. He'll want to be locked in there. He's got a bit of breeze now. All three locked in. Biggest issue is trying for the helmsman to try and stay in position. We've seen a couple of them nosedive, and the helmsman falls forward, twists around, and wipes out his crew.
Pretty sure this is Evan Walker too, Mark. Evan's a very accomplished match racer while he's not showing off in these things, so he won a regatta.
Well, full airball now, getting a lot of air here. We might struggle to keep up with him and do our best. Huge loads. But not a lot of the boat in the water right now, which I guess is good, but it's the coming down bit that causes the problem. The deceleration puts a massive load on the hull and the rig. Good work at the moment from all three. You see them all really locked together, trying to stay as one.
Composers and tested.
Doing a nice job, aren't they?
You just don't want to lose your footing out here. That boat's motoring now.
Yeah, we're flat out now, aren't we, Bob?
Yeah, we're flat stick. We're doing about 28. Jumps out of the water. That's loading up on the rudder. Nice job. Don't know how far.
Oh, that was a gust too far for the sheet hand. Just let go of it, and it decided that's enough.
Oh, thank you.
Zealand, who are sailing very high on a gust as Origin roll into their jibe. Kite comes across, they're looking a little bit frisky at the moment for Team Origin.
Here comes the broach.
Mainsail goes out, they're just holding on to that
Whoa,
jibe.
look at the speed, wow. This is electric racing, fantastic.
But Matador getting right down inside Quant.
Oh, Frank Camas is in trouble, bow down. We'll look anxiously over the back, but there's no way back for Camas and his crew. He's holding on, but BMW Oracle Racing are over. Oh, there's a big gust there. Look at the gust has come from nowhere. It's a Linky that's going to go over. The America's Cup defenders there. Well, I don't know where this squall has come from. You can see the conditions. Any windier than this, and you really would lose the top off your pizza, that's for sure.
T-power and set the kite for home, and they just need to keep it tight, keep it secure down this final run.
The kite fills are cautious, I think you'd call that
Oh, it's gone!
Ooh,
The kite's blown!
No!
Yeah, Andy,
That's exactly what they didn't want. They've lost their kite.
I was just about to say they were being
really
careful with that
quickly.
hoist.
They've got the spinnaker sheet above the boom, so that's trouble. Look at
them
Emirates
go.
Team New
Whoa.
Zealand. Yahoo! They are off.
Look at them ride everybody at the back of the boat. This is amazing racing. They are flying.
This is what we saw in Cartagena, where Team New Zealand just submarines from time to time.
Whoa, there's
And the contrast actually with Matador sailing with their bow much further out the water and a little bit quicker. But
do you think this guy
hang
is
on,
so
Richard
extraordinary?
Meacham. I think he might be a little on the damp side. Now,